Laga nos ba din tips ng mesora? Laga nos ba din tips ng mesora di...
Second mesora essa con sa skibi.
Ok, bom. Sì, verdade. Vou dire razão. Sì, onde conanta sowieso nurturing relationships. I think that's very important. And onde conanta nos skibi, that definitely. Nos skibi para mane points kuno sa mane. These are things that we're gonna remember and that are gonna make a difference pa further collaborations. Qual atrobe how to collab successfully. Tama tu episode on that. Nurture relationships. Anto, no to paso es un interaction con persona no abay manera bota kepibay. Lego mais ita conflict ita malof bong. No to mane no to paso no abay manera bota kepibay ese kemenku ese por ruin future collaborations. Então nós escrevi in a specific zin com a Angela do nosso waki.
Mas nós escrevi as in no, sorry. Okay.
I know.
One bad, sorry, awak si, sorry. Mila tine ko mapede de mi mang. Keep this in.
Malabera pa.
Tende, nós escrevi, one bad interaction shouldn't stand in the way of future collaboration.
Sí, danke. Ekoi, itong koko mita really hold dear to right now. Sumda mane, si tata pa ami, si tata mi bingo card, persona que lo note sungo tabe bring in next opportunity pa nos. So nada di no amustra waki, kung ese taba the case. Pero, that was wrong. Antes ita mimes bias. So waki, atrobe. Exposure leads to expansion. Nita exposed to effect ko, no abay man nemita ke, pero in the next collaboration, no sa to hopi, no solamente direct, pero hopi specific about kiko sanda verwacht no, sa to kiko no verwacht je, ando mesore ko yakana in a week span. Terwijl outro collaboration dura 2 anos, ando dura 2 anos, pero cos really sali bom, bambisa, of no sa yung resolution. Pero sa kita ta simang que meso energi, ando ko kana va.
So, opi fluyen, opi bom.
Sí.
La regla opi de kondan pa nos tambe. Dus in verdad, one interaction na kung pa siya grade ko ne, no hinder effect ko ultimately mira algo de nos ku etama na mi ke edos na kiso sa ola encontrami etama super excited mami de in person super excited man I'm taking me echt ke pa busanga se cocky. And then I go to my next point tamedi have faith in your own abilities. You can do way more than you think. Take the risk.
That's tip number 2, by the way. No sabay din tip ng kaba.
See, have faith in your own abilities. You can do way more than you think. Take the risk. Uiteindelijk, sowieso, I'm ko siya important naman ni Basaki ko. This is not what we want to do. We want to solely do podcasting. Important naman ni, ulan this, I don't want to do it. Me not as confident than ulan this. Me no kasiele. Pero ultimately, iko'y apone ko achteraf, ay nawak kita man basta si hopi bon trabaho. Etum koko nos pabisa ko man we've done this before, we want to continue doing this in the future.
Sí.
Dus, eta pone, den otra in the sweeter time ko man dos naki, po si public speaking, inalo po ko pa future pitch nights of future events ko tabini ko, para basta amis naman we didn't think that they could be more than just podcasters. We are more than just podcasters. And by trusting ko nos po ko, even though we've never done it before, if kako nos ta willing to take a risk, overlook if ako nos desire and mas halt ko nos fear.
That's good.
See?
That's good. Okay, next.
That was one of them too.
Sí, true. Nami un tip mas.
Es un uninang ko ba sabi.
Mas para read it, but okay.
There's one in them ko ba naman kinabi sa o ba tayo nang.
Oh, see, dress how you want to be addressed, yo. I ain't gonna hold you. Sometimes on this podcast, I'll be looking wishy-washy.
Yeah. Okay.
I walk in, man, not looking the greatest, pero it's okay. Dress how you want to be addressed. The timpari and the oh wow, you look really nice. Because usually when they see me, no mirami din ko no steam meetings ko na minuto really dress like that, because usually mita running from the gym or mita kapitra, like it's just whole thing. Pero I dressed nice that day, really nice. Qual mita capable of doing. If you know me, you know I know how to dress really well if I want to. So pese mi di dress how you want to be addressed. So nos to dos, by the way, that the dress is in a nice kunandi. Basta dress way more kun nos expect. Pero everybody knows now ko I can be not to play. They dress like the hosts of a very important event. Nos ta din gemeente raad. não está para dilante tu rende, não está forefronting people que mira the most, til para dilante nang. There's no reason why we should be wishy-washy. So the last point is dress how you want to be addressed. Não só me passa dilante trobe. Nurture relationships. Bad interaction no mister ta reason pa kiko eta ruin future collaborations. Rido está?
Take the risk.
Take the risk.
You have more in power than you think. You're capable of more than you think, so take the risk.
Yes, eens. And the resta, dress how you want to be addressed.
Dress to impress.
Dress to impress. Okay.
Hey, dress to
There,
impress.
All of them.